Detox water has become increasingly popular in recent years as a way to cleanse the body and promote overall health. But what exactly is detox water and how does it work? Detox water is simply water that has been infused with fruits, vegetables, and herbs. The idea behind detox water is that by adding these ingredients to water, you can boost its nutritional content and help your body eliminate toxins more effectively. There are many different recipes for detox water, each with its own unique benefits. Some common ingredients include lemon, cucumber, mint, and ginger. These ingredients are chosen for their detoxifying properties and ability to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Lemon is a popular ingredient in detox water because it is high in vitamin C, which is known to support the immune system and help the body eliminate toxins. Cucumber is another common ingredient in detox water, as it is high in water content and can help to flush out toxins from the body. Mint is often added to detox water for its refreshing flavor and ability to aid digestion. Ginger is another popular ingredient in detox water, as it is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to support the liver in detoxifying the body. When you drink detox water, the nutrients from the fruits, vegetables, and herbs are absorbed into your body, where they can help to support the liver and kidneys in eliminating toxins. In addition, the water itself helps to flush out toxins from the body and keep you hydrated, which is essential for overall health. Detox water can also help to boost your metabolism and aid in weight loss. By drinking detox water regularly, you can help to support your body's natural detoxification processes and promote a healthy weight. In addition to its detoxifying properties, detox water is also a great way to stay hydrated and improve your overall health. Many people struggle to drink enough water throughout the day, but by adding fruits, vegetables, and herbs to your water, you can make it more appealing and enjoyable to drink. Detox water is easy to make at home and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Simply add your chosen ingredients to a pitcher of water and let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours to allow the flavors to infuse. You can then strain out the ingredients or leave them in the water for added flavor. Some people choose to drink detox water first thing in the morning to kickstart their metabolism and cleanse their body after a night of sleep. Others prefer to drink detox water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support their body's natural detoxification processes. Overall, detox water is a simple and effective way to cleanse the body, support the liver and kidneys, and promote overall health. By adding fruits, vegetables, and herbs to your water, you can boost its nutritional content and help your body eliminate toxins more effectively. So next time you're looking for a refreshing and healthy drink, why not give detox water a try? Your body will thank you for it.